Hello and welcome. Today we're exploring the Renogy 200-watt 12-volt high-efficiency monocrystalline solar panel kit, perfect for RVs and outdoor adventures. This powerful solar panel features advanced encapsulation for enhanced cell performance and long-lasting durability with corrosion-resistant aluminum frames and impact-resistant glass. It's built to withstand high winds and heavy snow loads, ensuring reliable energy no matter the weather. Installation is simple thanks to pre-drilled holes and included ZBrackets, designed for easy mounting on irregular surfaces like boats or RV roofs. The IP65 rated junction box offers protection from water and dust, making this panel ideal for both on-grid and off-grid systems. Whether you're camping or living off the grid, this versatile solar solution provides consistent, clean energy wherever you go. Thanks for watching and stay powered up. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.